Hello traders and good day. Last week when we analyzed USDCAD, we mentioned that this pair is ranging in this area in monthly time frame for the last 1 year plus. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, more than 1 year. And we have found that it made this lower low has created this upper this high, and here this is the current monthly candle. Until 30th November it closed, only then we can declare this as a double top. But we are watching some negative price action here at the moment. So let's get back to week. In weekly we had a very big bearish engulf candle. After that, last week we have a piercing line candle retracing the price on the upside. So we try to find out what is happening here, and here we can see that it made a double top in the weekly time frame from where it started descending. Again, last week it tried to have a traction on the upside, but it didn't work. You can see it very clearly that the price almost reached to engulf the previous the week before the previous week, but it failed and it came down and closed here. So coming back to day now, here we can see in day that the price has a bearish trend started from here, and then again it made a double bottom here in 4 hours time frame. This time frame is in 4 hours. So we expected that if it fails the retest here, it will move downward, and we may have a double top here in daytime frame, or maybe double bottom, I beg your pardon, here in daytime frame. This is one aspect. But when we analyze the whole chart USDCAD in 4 hours time frame, we found that this was the total range. It has came down the week before previous week, and we predicted that it will start ascending upward and it did. We marked this zone last week, mentioning that there will be a price action here, something like this. So it went up, retest, then it went up again, came back, retest the zone again, and it started ascending again. And this was the depth. It's supposed to this rectangle is the mark we put to show how far the price will go. So the price has reached to its this was the 50% zone, and this was the 75% zone. Also, we have earlier predicted very clearly that as there is a green candle here, opposite color candle in a downtrend, so price will have a very big reaction here. Any opposite color candle in any trend is a very powerful candle, because this green candle is very small, but it stopped the whole trend here for 4 hours, and that is a very powerful move. So it has some reaction here. Now what we see is this, we have again here, if we declare this zone Before we declare, let us complete this price action. We measured that it has reached to 75%. If you measure from top to bottom the whole zone, you can see almost this is 50%, and this is give and take. It is, I think I drawn it wrongly. Let's draw it properly. This is the place. From here it came. This was the range. So this was 50%, and it is near 75%. So it achieved 75%. That is the highest safest zone. After that, I don't keep any trade until I see some price action which can steam the price on the upside. So it it achieved 75%, and then it started a little bit downward, and now we need to analyze what will happen in next week. So here, if we see clearly, is this that the price is still within the range we have defined before, and now the price has made this was half, was take profit was half first. Before I delete this, I should explain. This take profit was half of the whole target, and take profit 2 was on 75%. So let's get rid of both of these now, because we have already done with this thing. Let's remove all these things. Now we have a double top here at the moment, and we need to check if this double top exists in day. And in day, no, we don't have a double top. In week, no, we don't have any double top. So this double top will be very strong, as it has stopped the upward traction. So let's let's analyze the current chart so we understand what is going on. So we have a new double top here, and if we put this bottom is responsible for this top, this guy is the outcome, of this bottom. So now we can understand where this price can go. At least we can have an idea which will lead us for our trade action. So this is the thing we have in our so the price. So in my way of thinking, at the moment the price will come down here. So it will come down here first, then maybe it will show some traction. So this is one thing, the price may come down, but if we see in the day, the whole trend is upward trend, and if we go to week, we will see the same. It was upward trend, but the biggest catch in USD and Canadian dollar, that it is ranging for a long time, and it touched the range and it tried to retrace back to the top again, but it failed. So taking any trade on the long, I don't think I will do that until we go here and see that it breaks this zone. Do you understand, guys? This zone is broken, and we can see this zone is not broken at all. Rather, the price tried to break this 2 weeks back. It broke the upper channel, then 1 week back it the reaction was extremely negative. And here I would like to mention in weekly that, can you see guys, it has broken in weekly time frame. This bearish engulf candlestick broke the previous support here. So in my experience, if the previous support is broken, then the price will come down here. After the deep retracement, price always comes back to this zone. So getting back to 4 hours, in my opinion, it is better we should look some price action here first, and I should tell you, in my opinion, I will be bearish biased, and maybe it will come down here, retest, and of course it will continue like this. So this is one option we have at the moment, after which we may see in the next week. And on the other side, the movement of the price on the upside, I don't think I have that much the probability of moving upward. I don't think it has that much potential, because this double top on the hourly has already confirmed that the traction. And can you guys see the rejection also? Can you guys see the rejection here is very big, so the upside. But even there is a chance that it may move and try to break it again, and if it breaks, then it will try this reason and it will move upward. But the possibility of that is very low, because we have seen already that in weekly it has failed. You can see the shadow here. Can you see the shadow? You can see the shadow here. Can you see the shadow? This shadow is big, and at the same time in daytime you can see the rejection here. This is very big. So best option is to wait, and let's break. Let's the price break at least this region. This is the region, at least it should break. Then we can go for short. That's for the update for Usdcad, and if there is any other changes, I of course I will come up with new video to update you guys. Take your trade carefully, manage your what I should say, manage your risk, and any trade you take based on this analysis is your discretion. We are not in any way responsible for profit and losses. And please do put your question and comments so I can respond, and at the same time, if you are kind enough to share your analysis, I may learn something from you guys too. Take care. Bye bye.